Hi, this is Clay Stevens of RI Training. One of the most important tools that you have in this business is just one single page entitled the TimeFocus Model. This critical business management tool will keep you focused on the most appropriate types of work for you to engage in at any given moment in your business day. This video is designed to help you take full advantage of this model, which is one of the basic building blocks in the 3-step success pattern, the time and task management system, and the associate tracker. The TimeFocus Model is the foundation of everything that we talk about in regards to time and task management and removing the risk of engaging in real business. Just as budgets and software help you manage money, the TimeFocus Model, TFM, helps you get control of the time you commit to building your business by helping you focus on activities that produce the most towards your goals. Keeping track of your progress towards your goals directly related to your business plan through quantifiable measurements is imperative. For some, this can appear to be overwhelming, but done properly, it only takes a few minutes a day. In order to be successful in your business and not have it consume you, it's important to understand how to track the results you're getting from the effort that you put in. Effective use of your time engaged in appropriate activities is the key. This process begins with identifying how much time you invest in different types of business-related activity. In this model, each type of activity has a code associated with it. The codes range in number from 0 to 5. Business administration is TimeFocus code 0. Administration activities are things like organizing your office, paying bills, organizing paperwork, sorting email, and other simple administrative activities. These kinds of activities might be important, but they are not on the critical path to producing realizable results, and hence administration gets the TimeFocus code of 0. The two foundational income-producing activities include personal improvement and recruiting. Personal improvement, TimeFocus code 1, relates to activities like reading books, listening to audios and training calls, watching videos, memorizing contacting scripts, gaining product, company, and industry knowledge, attending major weekly and monthly training events, and playing the residual income business building simulator. Recruiting, TimeFocus code 2, refers to activities like making an effective names list, contacting, presenting, following up, and enrolling new people on your team. The two freedom income producing activities include training and retention. Training, TimeFocus code 3, relates to training customers how to order and do business with you. It also includes helping new team members start at the start instead of the middle by following the 3-step success pattern, allocating time and resources properly, and engaging in appropriate work in its proper sequence. Lastly, there is retention, TimeFocus code 4. This is an important function of your business. And if you operate your business properly, you will avoid the most challenging problem that traditional network marketers have: keeping customers and team members once you enroll them. Retention activities include things like customer service calls or emails, answering questions, overcoming objections, and handling problems quickly and fairly. The number one reason anyone leaves an organization or switches products is due to unmet expectations. The number one tool to handle retention issues is the residual income game. During the game, you'll be able to re-explain or clarify products and their proper usage, as well as reignite your team members' passion for what they would like their life to be like and how your business can predictably create that result. The TimeFocus Model details how to properly allocate your time to help you effectively build your business on purpose with purpose as follows. In the Improve Yourself phase, you should invest 95% of your time in TimeFocus code 1, or personal improvement, and 5% of your time in recruiting customers and team members. You'll be most effective at enrolling new people in the beginning if you work with your successful, high-pep upline. You'll be surprised at how effective you can be in the 5% of your time you use to recruit if you use your upline as a high-impact tool. In the Build a Team phase, you should invest about 15% of your time in personal improvement, 50% of your time in recruiting, 30% of your time should now be allocated to TimeFocus code 3. training new customers and team members that you enroll, and a scant 5% of your time should be invested in TimeFocus Code 4 activities or retention. If you find yourself spending a lot of time trying to keep the customers and team members you have, something somewhere in your business process is failing horribly. Usually, retention problems stem from an overemphasis on recruiting. Those who recruit invariably have retention problems. In the Become a Leader phase, you should invest 10% of your time in personal improvement and 15% of your time recruiting. 65% of your time should now be allocated to TimeFocus Code 3, training new customers and team members you enroll. And 10% of your time should be invested in TimeFocus Code 4 activities or retention. As you can see, the amount of time that you invest in each category or activity changes depending on the phase of the business a person is in. Now, as you plan, track, and report your daily work, weekly results, and monthly progress, you can more effectively build a strong and profitable business.